Just finished up another dashboard for a customer we're doing full interior on. We fixed a bunch of plastic repairs on this guy and some fabrication in here, which I'll show in another video. We did a bunch of fabrication under this radio bezel, put one of our doubled in kits in, brushed bronze metal for the trim. That's a hydrographic, not a wrap, so it's permanent like paint. His instrument bezel was all broken, and because it's a Bronco, it's got a button right here, and they don't make these new for Broncos anymore like they do the F-Series trucks, so we actually cut this out, if I can get this to focus, and, hold on, so we actually cut that out and grafted in, can't even tell. We put one of our ashtray repair brackets in here, so that won't ever be a concern in the future. We also installed one of our HVAC repair brackets, so that won't be a concern in the future. The pad is in Italian leather, and we custom did some plastic work on the sides and all along the top to support a full leather wrap. Some nice stitching. So we think the customer is going to be very happy with this. We picked a leather that was pretty much a dead-on match to the plastic color, and we recolored the plastics after all the repairs as well with a coloring that's not going to chip, peel, crack, or wipe off with chemicals. But this leather wrap, though, on a dashboard that was never meant to have leather on it. We do interior repair for any vehicle, any year, any make, any model, plastic repair and fabrication, upholstery, hydrographics, pretty much almost anything from the roof to the floor. Contact us at obsinteriors.com or cardesigns.co.